SEO is all about improving your website's ranking on search engines like Google. By using the right keywords, creating quality content, and optimizing your site, you can attract organic traffic. With PPC, you pay for every click on your ad. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads let you target specific audiences, ensuring your budget is spent on potential customers. Content marketing focuses on creating valuable content, like blogs, videos, and infographics, to attract and engage your audience. It's great for building trust and brand loyalty. Social media marketing involves promoting your brand on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. It's perfect for building relationships, running ads, and engaging directly with customers. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective strategies. Sending newsletters, promotions, and personalized messages keeps your audience informed and engaged. Influencer marketing leverages the reach of social media stars to promote your brand. Their trusted recommendations can drive sales and boost awareness. Affiliate marketing rewards partners who promote your products. They earn a commission for each sale made through their referral links. Video marketing, especially on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, is key to capturing attention. Create tutorials, product demos, or engaging short videos to connect with your audience. Mobile marketing targets users on their smartphones through SMS, apps, and mobile-friendly ads. It ensures you reach people wherever they are.